and welcome to Panchal Academy. So in the previous class, in the previous video, we learned about the special pairs of angles like complementary angle, supplementary angle, adjacent angle, linear pairs, vertically opposite angles and angles at a point. We also did exercise 10A. So in today's video, we will be learning about transversals. So what is a transversal? A line which cuts through two lines is known as a transversal line. Like in this figure, line C is cutting through line A and line B. So this means that line C is a transversal line. Now let's see how to find out these angles in a transversal line. So first, interior angles. Angles which are on the inner side of the two lines are known as interior angles. For example, angle 4 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 5, comma, angle 3 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 6. Next are exterior angles. So what are exterior angles? Angles which are on the outer side of the two lines are known as exterior angles. For example, angle 1 and angle 8, comma, angle 2 and angle 7, angle 2 and angle 7. Next are alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angle means they're interior angles but they're alternate, like angle 4 and angle 6, means angle 4 and angle 6. Next pair is angle 5 and angle 3, angle 5 and angle 3. Next are alternate exterior angles, means they're exterior angles but are alternate. Here example are angle 8 and angle 2, comma, angle 8 and angle 2, angle 1 and angle 7, angle 1 and angle 7. Last is corresponding angles. Now, corresponding angles are formed by one interior angle and one exterior angles on one side of a transversal line. Like corresponding angles are angle 1 and angle 5, angle 1 and angle 5, comma, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 2 and angle 6, then angle 3 and angle 7, angle 3 and angle 7, and the last pairs of angles are angle 4 and angle 8, means angle 4 and angle 8. So here are the properties when a parallel line is cut by a transversal. So the first property is alternate angles are equal, means angle 4 and angle 5 are equal, angle 3 and angle 6 are equal. Then angle 1 and 7 are equal and angle 2 and 8 are equal. Then next property is the corresponding angles are equal, means angle 1 and angle 5 are equal, angle 2 and angle 6 are equal. Then angle 4 and angle 8 are equal, angle 3 and angle 7 are equal. The last property is the sum of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is 180 degree. So here this means that the sum of angle 4 and angle 5 is 180 degree and the sum of angle 3 and angle 6 is 180 degree. So now we need to see how to apply these properties to check if the two lines are parallel. So here we need to check if the two lines are parallel. So the first property, if the alternate angles are equal, means angle 4 and angle 6 are equal, angle 3 and angle 5 are equal, angle 1 and angle 7 are equal, and angle 2 and 8 are equal, then the two lines are parallel. The second property is if the corresponding angles are equal, means angle 1 and angle 6 are equal, angle 2 and angle 5 are equal, then angle 4 and angle 8 are equal, and angle 3 and angle 7 are equal, then the two lines are parallel. And the last property is the sum of interior angles on the same side of a transversal is 180 degree. Means if the sum of angle 4 and angle 5 is 180 degree and if the sum of and if the sum of angle 3 and angle 6 is 180 degree, then the two lines will be parallel. So now we do exercise 10b. The first question is, name the required angles in the following figure. So here the first A part is angle vertically opposite to AMN. So we have to find the vertical opposite of this angle. Like here, the vertical opposite here is for 8 it's 6, angle 8 and angle 6, angle 7 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 2, angle 3 and angle 1. So now we have to find in this figure. Here there were numbers, now here we have to find in alphabets. So first AMN. AMN. For angle AMN, it's PMB. PMB. These two are vertical opposite angles. So answer is angle PMB. Next question is angle alternate to C and Q. Now here we have to find the alternate angle. So the alternate, like for example here alternate angles are angle 3 and angle 5, angle 4 and angle 6, angle 2 and angle 8, angle 1 and angle 7. So for angle C and Q, C and Q. So it's PMB. For this angle, here it's here, here and here, here and here. So PMB. Again, the answer will be PMB. Next is angle alternate to MNC. So MNC. Angle alternate to MNC is NMB. So these two are alternate. So NMB. Angle MNB. Next is the angle corresponding to BMP. So now we have to find the corresponding angles. So here the corresponding angles are angle 1 and angle 5, angle 2 and angle 6, angle 3 and angle 7, angle 4 and angle 8. So now we have to find here. So corresponding is BMP. BMP corresponding this and this. So it's D and M. Angle D and M. So these two. So the answer is angle D and M. Next is angle corresponding to BMN. Angle BMN. Angle BMN. So the corresponding angle is Q and D. So angle Q and D. Angle Q and D. It doesn't matter. You can say angle D and Q or angle Q and D. Both are same. Next is angle vertically opposite to Q and D. Angle vertically opposite to Q and D. So Q and D. Now angle vertically opposite to Q and D is MNC. These two are vertically opposite angles. So angle MNC. Next is angle alternate to M and D. So angle M and D. Alternate. So we have to find alternate. Here this and this, this and this. So angle is angle AMN. So these two are alternate. So our answer will be angle AMN. Angle AMN. Next is angle alternate to AMP. Angle AMP. So now we have to find angle AMP. So the alternate angle will be angle D and Q. So these two are alternate and then these two will be alternate. So our answer will be angle D and Q. Here I write angle D and Q. Then I question the angle vertically opposite to P and B. Angle PMD. PMD. ANN. So these two are vertically opposite. So answer is AMN. The last part is the angle corresponding to C and Q. C and Q. C and Q. Now corresponding these two and these two, this and this. So AMN. So again our answer will be angle AMN. Angle AMN. So now we will do the second question of this exercise. The question is, line L and M are intersecting by transversal N. Find if the line L and M are parallel. So here we need to find if these two lines, line L and line M, are parallel. So if you guys remember, we learned how to check if the two lines are parallel by proving any one of these three properties. So here we have to prove any one of these properties in this figure to check if these two lines are parallel. So the properties were, if the alternate angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. If the corresponding angles are equal, then the lines are parallel. And if the sum of interior angles is 180 degree, then the lines are parallel. So here now we prove the third property in this figure. So now we don't have an interior angle, and if you see, line L and line N are intersecting, which means these two are vertically opposite angle and they are equal angles. So now we got two interior angles. So now we will add them, and if their sum is 180 degree, then these two lines are parallel. So now if we add them, we will get 180 degree, which means that these two lines are parallel. Next question is question 3. Given parallel line L and M, find the measure of x in the following figures. So here the two lines are already parallel, but we have to find the measure of x. We have to find the value of that x. So the first is 31 degree and x. So if you see, these two angles are corresponding angles, and corresponding angles are always equal. So x is also 31 degree. These two are equal because they are corresponding angles. Next is this one. So these two are alternate angles. So alternate angles are also equal, which means x is 53 degree. This one, in these two figures we used one property, and in this figure we used two properties. So if you see, there is a straight line, and straight line means 180 degree, and we have one angle given. We have to find the other angle. So what we do is 180 degree minus 85 degree. So now we'll get the answer is 95 degree. So this angle is also, this is 95 degree. So now we got alternate angles, two alternate angles. So x is also 95 degree. So here what we did, here we needed to prove these properties, and here we used these properties. So now we will do question 4. Given line L parallel to M, these two lines, angle 1 is 71 degree. Find the measure of all other angles. So angle 1 is already given, it's 71 degree. We have to find the measure of all the other angles. So angle 1, here if you see, angle 1 and angle 3 are equal because they are vertically opposite angles. So both of them are equal, which means angle 3 is also 71 degree. So angle 1 is equal to 71 degree. And angle 3 is equal to 71 degree. Now angle 3 and angle 5 are alternate angles, and alternate angles are also equal. So which means 71 degree. Angle 5 is also 71 degree. And here again Like we did with angle 1 and angle 3, angle 5 and angle 7 are also equal because they are vertically opposite angles. So angle 7 is also 71 degree. So angle 5 and angle 7, both of them are 71 degree. So here we found for angle 1 and angle 3, angle 5 and angle 7. Now we need to find the measure of angle 1, angle 4 and angle 2, angle 8 and angle 6. So if you see, it's a straight line, and straight line means 180 degree. So here it means that angle 4 plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. So angle 4 plus angle 1 is equal to 180 degree. So we already found that angle 1 was 71 degree. So which means angle 4 plus 71 degree is equal to 180 degree. Now here we need to find for angle 4. So angle 4 is equal to 180 degree minus 71 degree, which means angle 4 is equal to 109 degree. So now we got angle 4 is 109 degree. So angle 4 is 109 degree. So these two are vertically opposite angles, which means they're equal, and angle 4 and angle 2 are equal. Again the same thing, angle 2 and angle 8 are also equal because they're alternate angles. So angle 8 is also 109 degrees. And again vertically opposite angles, which means angle 6 is also 109 degrees. So here I'll write angle 4 is equal to 109 degree, then angle 2 is equal to 109 degree, angle 8 is equal to 109 degree, and angle 6 is equal to 109 degree. So now our next question is question 5. Given line L parallel to M, find the measure of angle 1 and angle 2. Which means we have to find the measure of angle 1 and angle 2. Here both of them are interior angles, and we know that the sum of interior angles is always 180 degree. So here angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degree. And then angle 1 is equal to x and angle 2 is equal to 3x plus 4, because they are vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are also equal. So x plus 3x plus 4 is equal to 180 degree. So now we'll add x plus 3x. So 4x plus 4 is equal to 180 degree. Next we'll do 4 plus. So 4x is equal to 180 degree minus 4. So 4x is equal to 176 degree. So now we got 4x is equal to 176 degree. So x is equal to 176 degree divided by 4. So our x will be 44 degree. So here we got 44 degree as x. So x will be 44 degree, and x and 1 are equal. So 1 is also 44 degree. Now here 2 angle 2 is equal to 3x plus 4. So angle 2 is equal to 3 into 44 plus 4. So angle 2 is equal to, if you multiply 44 by 3, we will get 132 degree plus 4. So this is 2 and angle 2 is equal to 136 degree. So here we got 136 degree. Here what we did is angle 2 was equal to 3x plus 4 and here 3 is multiplying with x and our x was 44. So it was 3 into 44 means 3 into x. So first we got 132 degree plus 4 and now angle 2 is equal to 136 means plus 4. So here now I have finished this exercise and our next exercise will be exercise 10C. Hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe. Goodbye.